I know this truck, I ain't no stranger, I know that truck.
It's a god-dang Ford Ranger.
Hello again, thanks for joining me today. This is part 2 of overdue repairs on my daily driver, 2003 Ford Ranger. In this video I'll be taking care of upper ball joints. I got Master Pro control arm replacements. They already have bushings and ball joints in them ready to go. So let me take the wheels off and let's get started. There it goes. That's why we have tools like this, because they work. There it is. Now we just gotta undo it from up there. There's one control arm with ball joint out. Alright, here's the new one for this side. Even came with a new pinch bolt. So I think we should probably get it installed there first. My gut tells me that would be the easiest route. All I did there was just lined it up with the old bolt because I didn't want to mess up the threads on the new one. I just wanted to make sure I was in the right spot. Yep. That's where it goes. Do that again. Oh, they switched sizes on me. Now I'm hoping I can get by without messing with the alignment on this side because of this adjusting bolt over here. I didn't move that adjusting bolt, and that adjusts the front to back. So I'm hoping, because I left that exactly where it was, that when I bolt this back up it'll be in the same spot the other one was at. Well, that side's pretty much done. My impact gun is not very strong. It's pretty weak and old, so I'm going to go look up some torque specs, and we'll take a torque wrench to everything I loosened and make sure that it's good to go. Best info I could find online was 41 foot-pounds for the pinch bolt and 111 for those. So got that one torqued down just fine. And then the 111 broke my Harbor Freight 21 millimeter deep well impact socket. Not really too surprised there, but bummer no less. So this side all torqued down, let's move to the other side. This side's just a one piece here, so going straight back to the chassis on this one. Lost on that one. And on that one. Hate those plastic clips. Let's see how we're going to be able to do this. We'll start down here like we did on the other side. Alright, in order to not waste any time on this side, we're just going to go straight to the forks. There she goes. Nice. Got the fork stuck on there, but that's it. There we go. Man, you can really feel the play in this one. Now the fun part is getting to those. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get my impact gun up in there, so probably just going to have to rock with breaker bar. It's pretty easy actually. Since that was so easy, let's try using the air ratchet. peasy. Of course, there's got to be a hose or a line right in the way. Let's see if moving it out of that clip gives us enough room. There it is. Quite a bit of play. All right, here's the new one. Just like the other side, I get the ball joint in first. It also came with a new pinch bolt. Man, why is this whole job just easy? Like, I was honestly expecting way more of a fight. Bolts in and out. Easy peasy. And then because of these little plates that go on the nut side, it locates that control arm. Hopefully I don't have any alignment problems over here either, because it's hard to stop forward and back because of those. See, now I can't move it this way at all. Alright, 41 foot-pounds on this one. Always give her a couple, because clip type torque wrenches are only good within 3%. So, especially if they're from Harbor Freight. Now the other ones, 111 foot-pounds. So let's see how many more sockets we can break today. All right, here goes nothing. There it is. this side's all done, torqued down and ready to go. So put wheels back on, set it back on the ground, torque the lug nuts, and go for a test drive. So the test drive went great. The shake is gone and drives pretty straight. There's a slight pull to the right, but I wasn't sure if that was the slight breeze or the road crown. Could be even tire pressures, so I'm going to check tire pressures. But I think with the tire rotation and alignment, probably would be good as new. So really glad I did that. Definitely long overdue, and this isn't it. Obviously I've got a lot more stuff that I'm behind on. So next up is going to be the shocks. Going to do them all around, and I need to do new leaf springs in the rear as well because they're sagging pretty good. So that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you next time.